Linking your bank account to Deliveroo is a straightforward process that allows you to easily manage your payments for orders. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Deliveroo app. Launch the Deliveroo app on your smartphone or access the website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon or selecting the menu option. Look for the Settings or Payment Options section. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the account settings, find the Payment Methods section. This is where you can add or edit your payment information, including linking your bank account. Step 4. Add bank account information. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Enter your bank account details as requested, including your account number and sort code. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been linked successfully. Now you can enjoy a seamless ordering experience with Deliveroo. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Deliveroo's customer support for assistance.